Now, two former state security agency officials are in trouble for allegedly stealing 12 million rands of state money. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, on Sunday, IDEC arrested Patrick Mshotola and Thulani Dlomo, and IDEC says that the two are charged with theft, fraud, forgery, and uttering, and that 12 million of state funds were misused. Now, they appeared at the Pretoria Specialized Commercial Crimes Court and were granted bail of 20,000 rand each. Now, the court set strict conditions, as IDEC put it, that these men must surrender their travel documents and not interfere with witnesses. And also, they should report to their police stations every Friday, and that they are prohibited from disposing of their immovable property. Now, the matter has been postponed to the 26th of January 2026 for disclosure and to lock in a high court date. Now, Thulani Dlomo is a high-profile former state security agency counterintelligence boss and was once described in media and inquiry reports as an operator who set up controversial operations. And then Patrick Mshotola is named as a project manager in the State Security Agency Special Operations, meaning both men worked in parts of the agency that handled sensitive and covert projects. Now, the state's investigators claimed that the pair used state security agency money for improper purposes, and that documents or transactions were falsified to hide their theft. Now, that led to them being accused of creating or using fake papers to hide what they did. If proven, it's using state money for personal gain or for unauthorized projects. Now, IDEC will complete its disclosures and the files will move towards the High Court. Expect further court dates, possible further charges, and depending on evidence, either a trial or a plea negotiations. Now, the next court scheduled date is set for the 26th of January 2026, where they will face charges of theft, fraud, forgery, and uttering amounting to approximately 12 million